Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy recipe. It's called tender shrimp and egg. And for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. This shrimp were purchased from Costco. They have already been cleaned and perfect for our recipe today. Make 2 slices on the bag for better presentation after cooking. Dry the shrimp with a paper towel. Add a teaspoon salt and sugar to the shrimp. Add half egg white. Then add half tablespoon starch. Finally, add some cooking oil and leave the shrimp marinated for about 15 minutes. Prepare 5 eggs. Add a teaspoon salt, a tablespoon milk, and a tablespoon starch. Milk and egg are the secrets to make the egg tender. We will need some chopped scallion. Add vegetable oil in the pan and stir fry the shrimp at a medium-low heat. The double slice on the bag makes the shrimp curling and form a ball shape during cooking. When the shrimp turns slightly red, pour the egg over the shrimp. Under a low heat, slowly cooking the egg and stirring from time to time. It may take 3 to 4 minutes before the egg fully cooked. This is the shrimp and egg I'm talking about. It's so tender and tasty and very easy to make. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. The subscription is free and your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.